So, Felicia, what are you up to today?
Bigger than my head. Big, big, big. Hey there. So, I took the Floozy pattern and enlarged it. So, what I did was make it both taller and wider and deeper. And this is the result. That's the back, that's the front. So welcome back to my channel, where I have been a bit slack in my video updates, but I am working on more regular publishing of my videos, and this will be one of them. And it is a pattern by Seems Legit called Floozy. So that's by Tori. It Seems Legit. I'll leave a link down below. Feel free to go and buy your pattern. Probably recommend starting at the normal size, just to save you adding complexity in trying to figure it out. So we've got an adjustable strap. Which is a little stiff at the moment because it hasn't been adjusted, but that's okay. So at the back I put in all the zippers that were in the pattern, plus I did a lot extras. So I've got the back slip pocket with the overlay, and on the back I put a little heart pull, and then on the front, so we've got the front pocket, which goes to the about there, with a cute little cat pull, and then we've got a cute little doggy pull with a zipper pocket, and then behind that zipper pocket we've got a slip pocket, and then above that we've got another zipper pocket, which is just a big pocket, nothing in there. And the top has got an opening with a nice little doggy again, and a zipper end, fancy zipper end. And then inside you can see it's quite a large bag, it's quite heavy. It's got another internal zipper pocket, an internal zipper pocket. And then on this side we've got a slip pocket, which I divided in two, and you've got two slip pockets. You can easily fit phones in there. And then on the sides, because I've made it wider, I put a little, let's see if I can get that on there. It's permanently attached, but it's a little clip, heart-shaped clip that you can just clip your keys on or something. And then I've got another little slip pocket here that is big enough for a hand sanitizer bottle that we use from doTERRA. And yeah, so you can see it's quite a large gusset, and I did this whole pretty glitter vinyl around the gusset, as well as on the strap. Got lots of rose gold bling. And I did do a boo-boo, of course. The one thing is all the zipper pulls end on this side of the bag, including the back. But not the inside pull. The inside pull is on the opposite side, but most importantly, this is the one I did wrong, the top one. So it should have been the other way. So I should have had the zipper end here, this end over here, and the zipper pull here, so then they would have been all in line. I did not do that. It was a boo-boo. But this bag I've made for my sister, and she'll be fine with it. So there you go. And I actually did it on my Janome 1600p domestic sewing machine. So I'm pretty impressed with what I've been putting that machine through. And yeah, this is for a gift for my sister. She's going to love it. She puts way too much in her handbag. I did make her the original size in a different vinyl, but turned out it was too small. So bigger we go. It's quite heavy already, but should be fine. Big, big, big. Hey everyone. I am still making a new bag using the Floozy pattern from Seems Legit. However, I've made it a lot bigger than the original pattern, and so I've finished the inside and the outside, and I thought I would stop here and talk through what I've done so far. So I have made this way bigger than the pattern. Okay, so the pattern has got a much narrower gusset. It doesn't have this pocket that I put in, and it doesn't have a little thing. So these are some extras that I did. So what I did was I've done the slip pocket, divided it into two. Oop, except my hand can't go in there. Yeah. And then I put a little rivet there on that seam. Not really necessary, but I just thought it was pretty. On this side, actually, I should tell you what I've got this hand sanitizer from doTERRA, and I made that to literally just put in there. Let me grab that. So now we'll find out if it fits together. So this is the On Guard sanitizer from doTERRA, and I've just made this little pocket so it's easy to get to, which will be in the side of your bag, and it worked. Awesome. And then on this side I just put a little spot. I was looking at making it removable, but because it's quite a small thing, I didn't have magnetic closure to be able to, that was wide. Oh, can't speak today. That was narrow enough. Sorry, it needed to be wider to use the magnetic snap. I got there. I went excessive and I put some of the exterior red vinyl that I'm using as an overlay, because I really enjoy doing the overlay style pocket. So I didn't do the same pocket style. And this pocket is closed. So that's good. And that's, oh, I should mention that's got a little clippy thing. So you can, you know, clip things on there, your keys, your glass cleaner, because that's something I'm always looking for. So I don't have the zipper, the top zipper yet on it, because I need to connect the lining to the bag exterior. So let me talk about the bag exterior now. So I've got the front pocket done. That's the inside of the exterior. And so what I did was I used a magnetic rivet, So I put a little piece of fleece or something that I had scrap, just to give it a little bit more beef, because as you can see I didn't interface the vinyl because it's a marine vinyl, it's pretty stiff. I'm sewing it on domestic. Let's not cause me struggles when I don't need to. Then on the back of the bag, this pocket is left open. I used that little trick that I saw on Lauren Mormino's channel, where you, let me see if I can go back. You kind of, if you can see that, So you sew down and then you go in a little bit and you fold that up. So then when you fold this back, sorry about the dog, it's not so thick there. And so when you obviously fold that all in when it's right side out to sew it, that pocket closed. So I also put some rivets to hold the square rings, which I will show you what I did there in a sec when I turn this through. So let's, I think someone's arrived, hang on. All right, so I had to grab the door. So what I did was in the gusset to help me sew it, I did little snips just to get that around, and then I trimmed that corner to try and get it better. I also left a little bit of length on that little decoration, which in the picture I did do this. So I decided to add a contrast to the red vinyl because this bag's for my sister, so you know, I'm excessive. Do all the things. So, yes. So that's the exterior, back, and I've put an overlay of this pink glittery vinyl, which is a bit thinner. And then check out that. I was excessive. So I've put another vinyl overlay there. So I did all the same sort of style pockets where these overlays are done. I did the two-piece pocket. I'll show that maybe in a separate video, but I learnt it off Mormino. She has a little separate video, Lauren from Mormino. Anyway, so we've got the slip pocket. So that's where you saw the magnetic rivet on the inside. And then I've put that magnetic rivet on the inside as well. So the lining, it's not through the lining at all. So we've got this waterproof canvas that I got from Spotlight. And I think the marine vinyl is actually from Spotlight too. Now, the zipper pulls, my sister likes pets, so I've got a little kitty cat, and then a puppy dog, and then a kitty cat, and then I'm going to put a puppy dog on the top, and then I've got these little, just plain with a little love heart ones, and I use that on the inside as well. So these ones I got from Tori at Seems Legit when she was selling hardware, and these kittens and puppies I got from Dreamy Bag Hardware. So I also put the glitter vinyl, and I did the whole gusset sort of finish like the what's that bag called? Catalina. So I did that sort of thing on the gusset. I just thought it looked better, and I'm using a domestic, so I just thought that would hold better on stitching wise and be easier. So I've also done, for the first time, some edge coating, and you probably can't see it, but I put edge coat of red around the little pink things. I also did it around the overlays, but it was quite messy because they're quite thin vinyl. The zipper tape I'm using comes from Online Bag Supply, which is I don't know if you can tell. It's not much zipper tape that shows, but yeah, it's just like this pink sort of finish. What else can I tell you? So now I have to turn this bag wrong way out, and then I can slip this into it it'll be right sides together then. Sew along the top. And, oh yeah, I got some new labels. I like blue, in case you didn't realise. So Felicia. And just as a side note, today is May the 4th. I whipped up this little BUT t-shirt from Pattern Emporium last night. And I had done previously a sway back adjustment and a full bust adjustment, but I think it needs a bit more adjusting because there's a bit of excess here, and I might just put that into the bust. But I don't know if you can read my singlet. May the 4th be with me. So I made it to wear to Pilates today, so she thought it was hilarious. Anyway, that's all I have for now. I will come back once I've got this together. I forgot to mention, with this little pocket, because I wanted it to sit out, I had excess and I needed to scrunch it up on the bottom, so I kind of did a pleat, but my domestic couldn't handle that thickness, so I put easy solved rivets, holds it. So yeah, so that'll stay. Doesn't need it, but my stitching was pretty bad underneath, so that's why I did it. Alright, just to show you the size, it's a crossbody, did a crossbody strap of course, and yeah, it's pretty big. What have I got that I can put in here? It'll probably fit my new rotary blade sharpener. Yep, no problem. There we go. So it's going to hold a hell of a lot of stuff. Love it. Even though it's not my colour, red. It's, well, it probably suits me fine, but not a favourite colour. But it's her favourite colour. So yeah. There we go. Can we see that? Alright. I would appreciate it if you would give it a like. If you have any other questions, leave a comment down below. And yeah, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel as well. So thank you for watching.